A factory reset restores your Assurance wireless phone to its original settings, erasing all personal data, apps, and configurations. This is crucial for troubleshooting issues like persistent software glitches or preparing the phone for resale. Before proceeding, understand that this process is irreversible, emphasizing the importance of backing up your data. Common reasons for a reset include resolving performance slowdowns, addressing security concerns, or simply clearing the device of personal information before giving it away. Remember, a reset removes all user data but doesn't affect the SIM card itself. First, back up your data using Google Drive or Samsung Cloud to save contacts, photos, and apps. To initiate the reset, navigate to Settings, System, Reset Options, Erase All Data, Factory Reset. You'll be prompted for your PIN pattern passcode. Post-reset, sign back into your Google Samsung account to restore your data. Note that this will also remove any pre-installed carrier apps like My Assurance, requiring reinstallation from the Assurance Wireless website if needed. Phones with Factory Reset Protection, FRP, will require the original Google account credentials post-reset to set up again. Verify backup completion to avoid data loss.